क्रिएटिविटी टेस्ट में क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, प्लेसमेंट्स कैसे होते हैं, प्लस इंटर्नशिप कहाँ से करें, एंड निफ्ट या एमिटी, विच वन शुड आई चूज़. So hi guys, I am Divya, a fashion design graduate student from Amity Noida. So I am going to clear all your doubts and questions in this video as from my personal experience, as I was the student over there in Amity as a B design graduate. And I thought why not to create a series on based on my personal experience for all the new joinees and new students who are taking up the fashion design as their career. So my batch was from 2021 to 2025. So as you know, it was the COVID time, and we had to give our test. We had to give our creativity test online. And honestly, the creativity test was not something you have to be a professional fashion designer before. So yeah, it was very, very easy and very, very chill. So after a week, they conducted our creativity test, which was also on Zoom call. It was basically about understanding your observation, your creativity, and how you see through a situation. So yeah, you need to keep practicing for the fashion illustrations, sketches and all. And honestly, about the interview part, you just have to be who you are. You can tell them your interest, how you like the styling or designing or stitching or illustrations, whatever interests you. Now let's come to the question which I got the most, placements. So my one word answer would be yes and also a no. Now let's talk about the placement, because this is something a lot of you all ask me about. So yes, brands like Zara, H&M, Aditya Group, Pantaloons do come for hiring. But here's the catch. They do not hire you as a fashion designer, but as a sales executive for their stores. They will say that they are hiring for the roles of fashion advisor or fashion consultant, but they are actually hiring you for their retail sales store. So after doing this fashion design degree, you might end up working on the sales floor, handling customers and executing the bills, rather than actually designing the clothes. So what do you need to do? So I'm not against these job roles, but if your main focus is to become a designer, you should not end up doing these retail store roles. Plus, don't assume that your campus placement will end you up in a design role. So, what to do now? You really need to focus on your portfolio, your sketches, your illustrations. Plus, don't forget to do internships, even if it is free. Okay, even if they are not paying you, you need to do the internships under renowned fashion brands. Plus, skills and networking do the best for you. So basically, two students can graduate from a same college for the same degree but end up doing different jobs. So throughout the college, don't just focus on your marks, build your portfolio, do the internships as much as possible, work on the live projects, work on software, learn more skills and build your network. Because your college gives you the platform, but what you do in these 4 years is completely upon you. So now the biggest debate is NIFT or Amity. So honestly, I don't think there is one universal answer that is yes or no. I have also talked with few NIFT students and the experience was completely same. I mean not completely but almost 80%. Like NIFT में भी कंपनीज आती हैं बट आपको सेल्स के लिए हायर करने के लिए, राइट. एमिटी में भी आपको सेल्स के लिए हायर करने के लिए आ रहे हैं वो. सो आप कहीं भी हो, इवन इफ़ यू चूज़ निफ्ट और एमिटी, आपको अपने पोर्टफोलियो पे खुद ही वर्क करना होगा. इंटर्नशिप्स आपको खुद अप्लाई करनी होंगी, खुद अपने स्किल्स बिल्ड करने होंगे, सो दैट यू not end up doing any sales role. So yeah, at the end I would like to say that if you are choosing Amity or if you are choosing NIFT, don't expect the college to do something magically for you and make you a fashion designer. So yeah, that was my honest experience and answer based on all your questions that you all asked me in my last video. So yeah, I hope I could clear most of your doubts, And if you still have any doubts or questions, you can ask me in the comment section. And also there was one question that what are you doing after your college? So I'll make the video on that very soon. Next video would be about that only. So for till then, subscribe, like and share. So guys, I hope the video was helpful enough, and we'll see you in the next part. Bye.